Gentlemen, today in this video we will be creating an automated content generating system using GPT Plus. You can use this for your own self or you can use it for your clients. It's really beneficial. I'll be using my own Twitter account for this one and I'll be running you through this whole tutorial. You can use it for self. And yeah, let's get into it. Firstly, you need to come to ChatGPT, start a GPT creation and lay down any name or description you want. In this example, I'm writing my content creator and writes new content for me for my Twitter actually. So yeah, instructions, you don't need to do anything right now. You gotta upload a knowledge base. So you gotta post the blogs, content, tweets, whatever it is in your knowledge base. I'll be using my Twitter account here, so I'll be copying my tweets and pasting them down in text format to upload it here in GPT. So I'm on my Twitter account right now. Like this, you gotta copy it, go back to your notepad, paste it down, and then repeat this thing for as long as you want. I'll be doing this for around like 50 tweets or something. So yeah. Now you just have to save this file. After saving, go back to ChatGPT, click on upload files, select both of them files and upload them. Now instruction part, you have to copy paste this prompt. You'll find it in description, or you can modify it if you want. You can use just ChatGPT to modify it for you. Conversation starter doesn't even matter. Condition web browsing and code interpreter should be on. Then I'll just use a random pick. Alright, so prompt was not really amazing, so I had a little bit of problem, as you can see in the past history. So I had a little bit of modification to the prompt. You'll find updated version in the description, don't worry about that one. So now if you see, it is working pretty well. As you can see, the response, it says, in the pursuit of greatness there is no room for hesitation. Act now, for each moment wasted is a moment lost forever. So these quotes are resonating with my old ones, so yeah, it's pretty pleading. Besides the fact, I'll still make a little bit of modification. Maybe I'll change a pic or something to make it look more professional. So okay, so I decided to change the image of chatbot to my Twitter account. Now it looks a little more professional, so I'll just update it. So now we can, test the chatbot out. Let's get to GPT. So here we write down hey and wait. What the hell's going on, bro? Okay, I didn't expect this, but it seems like it's giving out the quotes from the knowledge base. Didn't expect this. I'm glad to provide something inspiring and motivational. What the hell? So this is messed up. This is messed up. Hold on. I'll have to get back to Edit GPT. Maybe there's modification to be done. So I think something's wrong with the instructions. Firstly, the quotes were pretty short, so I'll have to write down something like that. Right. Quotes anywhere between 150 to 250 words. So I think now it'll work since I wrote down don't answer until asked. And yeah, I guess everything's looking okay. I'll just turn off web browsing actually. Maybe now it'll work. So I'll just hit update. Alright, so now we will test it out. I'll just lay down here. It asks how many quotes would you like me to create. So this is a good sign. I'll just say let's go with 4. Your destiny isn't waiting for you, it's waiting on you. Take charge, step up and claim what's rightfully yours. Now this is a good sign. I mean, it's given a good piece of quotes that resonate with my older themes. So that's what I wanted the GPT to do, and that's exactly what's happening here. I mean, this is good, impressive. Next I'll just go with that was good. Want you to craft 3 more related to Stoic theme, blended with modernity. Let's see what it says now. Embrace the chaos of life with a calm heart. Your inner peace is your greatest fortress in a world full of storms. That was a good one. So yeah, I can use these tweets or quotes, whatever it is, in my Twitter account. People wouldn't even be able to guess if it is from AI. So yeah, this is pretty good. Good job. I want craft 3 more related to alchemy and other fictional narratives. Life is your grand alchemy. Responsiveness. The genre of self-discovery of both alchemist and elixir. These are like okay-ish because I'm not a big fan of fiction, but I think, yeah, it is good. It's functioning pretty good. Thank you. If you need more calls or any other assistance, feel free to ask. Alright, so it's functioning pretty good. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and you can create yourself. I'll drop down all the resources you need to create this in the description below, so please check it out. And if there be any suggestion or any help you need, you can reach out to me via social media or just drop me a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Talk soon. Gavin.